Hi friends, welcome to my channel Divine Vibrations. How are you all doing today? Today we will be doing the reading for the month of February 2021. This will be a tarot reading with charms. We'll pull out some charms in the end to get further information. This month is a very important month. There's a lot of energy in February. First of all, Venus has moved into Capricorn on 28th of January. We are starting February with the energies of the full moon that is happening in Cancer on 28th of January. Then Mercury, which had moved out of Capricorn into Aquarius, will retrograde and it will come back into Capricorn on 4th of February. So we have a very powerful stellium happening in Capricorn from 9th to the 11th of February. There's 7 planets, namely Saturn, Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Pluto, Venus and Mercury are all clustered into Capricorn. So do check where Capricorn is in your horoscope. That part of your horoscope will be very powerful, very lit up because 7 major planets are sitting there. So definitely some major change will happen in that part of your horoscope. If it's in the finances area, you will see some growth in finance depending on how things are placed in your horoscope. Or if it's in your relationship house or in your family house, check where it is. That part of your area will be affected during the stellium and the days to come after it. We are also having the Kal Sarpadosh because all the planets are between the Taurus Scorpio axis. All planets are on one side. Major planets in Capricorn, the Mars and Uranus are in Aries, and we have Neptune in Pisces. So everything is between Taurus and Scorpio. Some big changes or some big event may take place during this time. Our karmas are very activated at this time because Saturn and Capricorn on the highlight. Saturn is the planet of karma and Capricorn is also all about doing the right thing and taking responsibility for your actions. It's time to live with integrity. It's time to take actions. It's time to do the right things. Do your karma with dharma. And it is definitely payback time for the karmas you have done in the past. For good, you will receive good. If you have done something bad, you will pay the price for it. And finally, we will have the full moon in Leo on 27th of February. That was the planetary configuration. Let us see what the tarot cards are saying for this month of February. Now let's pull out some cards. Let us see what the energy is. Overall energy for the month of February. What is the overall energy for the month of February? We have reaching your destination. And we have got for January, you are on a journey. So finally you are reaching your destination. In the month of February, your light is shining brightly. So many of us have been on a spiritual journey for many years now and we have been moving forward. Or if you have been trying something to achieve something, your goals, your dreams, your aspirations in your work or in your relationships or any other period of your life, any other aspect of your life, you will finally reach your destination. Your light is shining brightly. How beautiful is this card? And you can see sort of in this light bubble there is a palace, a castle. So you will finally be able to build this castle that you were in your dreams. It will get illuminated and it will come into reality. There's also a butterfly here. So you will see some transformation, major transformation happening in your life. And we know the stellium is happening here. Beautiful start to the energy of February. Let's pull out a unicorn card to get some more insights into the energies that will be coming into February. Energies for February. We have Archangel Michael and it reads, use the sword of truth to help the world. So it is time to speak your truth. This card has been coming since many times and the card for truth is coming for many times, from some months now. So the time has come to speak your truth. When you speak your truth, you will reach your destination and the light within you will shine brightly. But for that, you have to be on the side of truth. Archangel Michael will always support those people who are on the side of truth, on the side of right, are living their life with integrity and honesty, and he will always protect you and always support you. Archangel Michael is a protector. He always protects everyone, and when you speak your truth, many people don't like it. Ask me about it. And people get offended and there's a ruckus created, but don't worry. If your truth disturbs the status quo of your situation or your life, Archangel Michael is there to protect you. Don't worry. But the time has come to speak the truth. Let's pull out one more energy card for the month of February. Let's pull out one more energy card for the month of February. And we have Mirror. This card had come last time also. This is also a twin flame card because twin flames are supposed to be mirrors of each other. And it says who or what is triggering you. So you may see something in your twin flame that will trigger you once again in this time. Remember, twin flames have come to show each other the mirror. Twin flames reflect to you what is good in you and what is bad in you. They will trigger your traumas, they will trigger healing inside you, they will trigger what is hidden in you, they will trigger your shadow side. If you have abandonment issues, they will abandon you. If you have rejection issues, they will reject you. If you have problem with speaking your truth, they will push you for it. If you have problems with expressing, they will push you for it. If you have problems of patience, they will push you to the level of your patience. If you have problem with holding back or being impulsive, they will push you to be patient and not be impulsive. So each one of you will get triggered in whatever is your shadow side, whatever is your trauma or healing that is required for you. Remember, your twin flame is a mirror who will show you that to you. Where you need to change, where you need to grow, where you need to heal, where you need to release. They will show you that too. So let us see what should be the focus for the month of February. What should be our focus for the month of February? What should we be focusing on in the month of February? We have study. It reads, reading, research and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. So you need to study more deeply, whatever it is in your life that you are seeking more knowledge about. Study, research, educate yourself. And you see there's a owl here. An owl is all about gaining wisdom and knowledge. So it is time for you to gain wisdom and knowledge about yourself. A lot of emphasis is being given on your inner light and yourself. Gain knowledge about yourself. Who are you beyond your name, beyond your status, beyond your job? Who are you beyond your relationships? Find your own truth. Find what you are. Find out more about why you are what you are. What has shaped you? What are your shadow sides? What are your bright sides? What is blocking you? What are your weaknesses? What are your strengths? Research more. And whether if it's regarding your job or any other place that is activated at this time, do deep study on that. Let us see how will February be for our career. How will February be for our work and career? How will February be for our work and career? We have the Page of Swords. So it looks like we will gain some clarity in our career place. We will have a new beginning, a new communication will come to us that is help us move forward. Or we may communicate something, give a new idea, a new epiphany or idea may come to us that will help us to move forward in a career, that will help our project or a job or business or whatever we do. How will the month of February be money-wise? Let's see how the month of February will be money-wise. We have Three of Pentacles. Money-wise, this will be a good month for us. We will definitely we will find people to collaborate and work together. If we have a team working for us, there will be a lot of coordination and cooperation between them. There will be a lot of understanding and support for each other. And we will work very hard and create something new together. It's very good for teamwork and team effort, putting a team together or collaborating and starting something new with your team. Let us see how it will be for the home and family. How will February be for the home and family? How will February be for the home and family? We have the Seven of Pentacles, which is the awaiting results card. In the family dynamics, there may have been a situation where you have been very patient and you are waiting for something to happen and it will finally arrive for you, or you have to wait maybe further for some more time to get the final results of your hard work, because the effects of the stellium will last for some months now. So it may take some time. You need to show a lot of patience in your family dynamics. You need to show a lot of patience in your relationships. Give people time and space to do what they need to do. Don't give up on your dreams, but have patience and know that they will come true, but there is still time. Let us get a romance angel card to see how it will be for our love life and romance. We have playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. If your relationship has become very boring and unexciting and strained and challenging, you need to bring more playfulness into your relationship. When it becomes very mundane, or when there's a lot of strain, there's a lot of challenges in a relationship or in our own personal lives, it takes a toll on the relationship, it takes a toll on the romance. The romance dies out of the relationship and it becomes very monotonous or very boring or very strained. At that time, it is very important to bring playfulness and love, to capture the love between you. Bring more playfulness, bring more fun. That will help you. Let's get one love message from the universe. And the universe says, keep it simple. Let's read it. It reads, old souls use words very sparingly, except, of course, for I love, thank you, wow, now and cool. So, wow, I love you now. That's what the universe is saying. Please see which sounds much better than wow, now I love you. Sequence is important. It is very important to use the right words in the right way, and sounds are very important. Sometimes some people connect through visuals. They like to see pictures and then they connect with you, or they like to see you and then they feel connected to you. Some people like to hear you and they feel connected to you. They connect through the voice, they like to hear good things, they like to have intelligent conversation, they are sapiosexual. They feel connected to you when you have good conversations. So everyone has different needs and wants and has different ways of feeling connected in a relationship. Words and sounds are very important. So use the right words to express your emotions, speak your truth, express your love, but keep it simple. That is also important. Don't complicate things too much. Have you been complicating your life too much in your love relationship? Not saying the things that need to be said, saying the things that are unnecessary, complicating what needs to be done, what not doesn't need to be done, not being honest. Keep it simple. Just be true, authentic and simple. Just say what needs to be said. Don't turn and twist it in rounds and circles. That unnecessarily creates a lot of misunderstandings and complications in relationships. If you love someone, say I love you. If you miss someone, say I miss you. If you want to talk to someone, say I want to talk to you. If you want to meet someone, say I want to meet you. Why you want to complicate it? Don't expect anyone to be a god that they will understand what is going on in your mind. Nobody can read minds. So you need to express your truth very simply and honestly to people. And that is the biggest reason I see for breakups in relationships and separations in relationship, because you don't keep it simple, you don't speak your truth, there is no playfulness, and that's why it breaks things up. Okay, this is my new deck of archetypes. I like to introduce new decks. It makes the reading more elaborate and more interesting, right? So this deck has the different types of archetype of the people we are. It could be a hero, it can be an addict, it will be networker, we have destroyer, we have child often, we have mentor, advocate, beggar, miser, student, detective, messiah. So different types of archetypes. I'll pull two of it because in this we have light attributes and then we have the shadow attribute. So I'll pull out one for the light attribute and I'll pull out one for the shadow attribute to see what light attribute should you display, show, strengthen in the month of February. Let's pull out that first, the light attribute. And we have the card Samaritan. The light attribute refines your capacity to help those you would prefer to ignore. So we need to help others, we need to bring ourselves in the Samaritan place, or bring the quality of the Samaritan in ourselves, where we go out and help others, even those we don't know, even those we would not bother otherwise, or who are strangers and we wouldn't bother, we would ignore them. But the time has come now to help everyone you can. So let's pull out a shadow aspect to see what shadow aspect do we need to heal in the month of February. What shadow aspect do we need to heal in the month of February? And we have goddess. Wow. The shadow attribute is exploitation of the female nature and form. Wow. Where have you been exploiting the female form or female nature, the femininity? Maybe your own femininity or someone else's femininity, or there may be a woman in your life whom you have been exploiting and using, misusing for some time now, through many years or many generations. Maybe it's your family history of misusing females and having illegal relationships or unhealthy relationships, or torturing them or misusing them, or not being honest with them, or playing games with women. If you have been misusing the female form or the goddess in any way, remember she's a goddess. And you will pay the consequences for it, you will pay the karma for it. So stop doing that and stop exploiting the females in your life. Whether it's your mother, your sisters, your wife, your girlfriends, your neighbors, your aunts, your grannies, whoever it is. Any female or the femininity within you, your emotions, your creativity, your nurturing side, your caring side, if you have been exploiting it, not using it, allowing your ego to dominate it, you need to heal it. Now let's pull out a planet to see which planet will affect us the most during the month of February. Which planet will affect us the most in the month of February? We have the Sun. Wow. And the Sun is actually combusting all the other planets because of its heat. The Moon is combust on 11th, then the Saturn is combust, Venus is combust, Jupiter is combust. So most of the planets are combust because of the Sun. And no wonder we are getting Sun, because Sun will be very powerful during this time, because its heat will dominate all the other planets, the effect of all the other planets. Your immortal spirit, purpose and destiny is involved. The Sun is the Lord of Leo. Sun is also our soul or our inner being. So your immortal spirit, that is your Sun. The immortal spirit, the soul, that is your Sun, and that is going to get highlighted at this time. Your purpose and destiny will be shown to you, or is involved in what is happening in your life. There is certain situations that are happening in your life, especially where Capricorn is. It will be highlighted now. Whatever that situation is somewhere based in your destiny, is somewhere based on your spiritual path or your purpose in this life. Pay attention to where you are being shown your path, where your soul path is, what you are supposed to do in this life, what you are come here to discover, what should be your soul purpose, what should be the path you take. Trust in your soul, trust in your intuition. Your soul knows which direction to take. It is the GPS of your life. You just need to listen to it and trust it and follow it. It is like the sun shining bright, just follow it. If you see, there's a sort of a path illuminating here, and we also got that illumination card in the first, reaching your destination, shine your light, and you got the sun card. So we need to shine our light, we need to highlight what we are, our truth, our true authentic self. Let your inner light shine. If you see the sun card in the tarot deck, there is a naked child there sitting on a horse. You have to be naked in your life. You have to display what is your true self. You can't wear a mask. Be innocent, be playful. We also got the playfulness card. Be childlike. The sun is all about illuminating your inner spirit, and the spirit is always childlike. It is very innocent, it is very honest, it is very emotional, caring, nurturing, it is very simple. So come back to that innocent self, come back to that true self of yours. Let your spirit guide you, let your soul guide you to what's your true path in your life. You will know the truth that you need to follow. If you are in any confusion, you will get the answer. The sun will illuminate the path for you. So let us pull out some guidance from universe, some divine guidance from universe regarding the month of February. Let's pull out a Moonology card first. to see what guidance is coming to us for the month of February, what divine messages are coming to us. We have a fiery climax approaches. We got this card recently also in a full moon reading, the full moon in Aries. So definitely a fiery climax is approaching because things are pushing towards it. The sun will illuminate the truth for you. It's better if there's some truth that you need to speak, it's better you speak it, otherwise circumstances will open it up for you, the universe will open it up for you, and then that will be more difficult for you. So it's better that you speak your own truth. That will be helpful to you. It will be much better if you create the change rather than allow the universe to create that change for you. Then the tower moment happened, where suddenly things will get illuminated and then there will be a lightning shock. A fiery climax is approaching. If there's any problem you're facing in any area of your life, your job, your house, your family, your relationships, your business, your own self. Remember, climax is approaching. Things will soon be resolved within the next 2 months. Things will get resolved or they will reach a climax. So let's pull out a power animal spirit card to see what the animal guide is giving to us, what message the animals want to give to us. And we have B. It reads, I am fertile with great ideas. I am focused and creative. It is easy for me to be creative and bring a project to fruition. I take the time to enjoy the sweetness of life. We got the playfulness card. It is very enjoyable for me to work in harmony with others, and we got the Three of Pentacles, which is the teamwork card. So maybe you need to work hard. The B is all about hard work. It is also about working in a team, because we have the bees always working in a team together. You also got the Three of Pentacles card, so it is very important to find people who will support you. Create a team and then take the initiative and start something with a team. The bee also converts nectar into honey from the flowers. So there is some alchemy that you need to do, convert something into honey. So there is some situation in your life where you need to be the bee and convert what you're picking up into what you're learning. Maybe it's also about alchemizing yourself, change yourself, become honey-like, become sweet, bring sweetness into your life. So these are the messages coming from the honeybee. And finally, let's pull out some blessings. Let's see what blessings are coming to us in the month of February. What blessing is coming to us in the month of February. Wow. We have a blessing to find the truth, and we got so many cards about speaking the truth and expressing your truth. This is a blessing to find the truth. So maybe if you are in a situation where you don't know what the truth is, you are being told many stories and many people are saying things to you, you don't know the truth about someone, or you don't know the truth about yourself, then maybe you will go within, you will find your truth. The sun will also illuminate the truth. I just said that. So it's better you speak your truth. You find your truth and you speak your truth. So maybe you'll receive some messages because there are birds, a lot of birds here. So something you will receive, some messages you will receive that will awaken you to the truth, and you will finally find the truth of yourself or a situation that you're thinking about. And knowing the truth is always good. It brings clarity and honesty in your mind. Now let us pull out some charms to see what the charms has to say for us. Let's pull out some alphabets first to see who will be important for us in this month of February. I'll pull out 5 alphabets for people who will be important for us in the month of February. It could be their first name, last name, middle name. We have E, U, V, Q, and Z. These people will be important for you in the month of February. Let's pull out some numbers now. They could be dates, days. It could be also your date of birth, the life path number, or anybody's name of people who would be important to you this month. We have 10. So it could also mean 10 days from when you see the reading. It could be the 10th of February, or your birthday may be 10, or the person who's involved, their birthday may be 10, their life path may be 10, or 1 or multiples of the number. We have 12. Could also be multiple of 3s. We have 8. We have 5. And we have 2. Let's pull out some charms now from this bag. We have a shell. Maybe someone has been keeping themselves in a shell, or you may be keeping yourself in a shell to protect yourself. Actually, see people putting up a wall or living in a shell. I always remember one thing, that people who are soft inside only need a shell. Those who are hard, they don't need a shell. So if someone is putting up a wall or a shell, that means they are very soft and emotional inside. That's why they need a shell to protect their emotions, or they feel the need to protect themselves with a shell. It could also mean the sea or the ocean. So you may go to a beach. Maybe you will take a trip to the beach, or you will go to a seaside place, maybe a cruise or a boat trip, or just a beach visit. And this is the shell of a crab, a hermit crab. So you could also be dealing with a Cancerian. That could also be possible. This is a very long spiral shell. So the fears and traumas of this person go very deep and they are very convoluted and very deep. It's very difficult to find the depth of this person. It's very difficult to read the emotions of this person. We also have cute heart-shaped glares. Definitely going out in the sun and having fun. This also reminds me about the card which says bring love into the situation. Maybe it's asking you to look at things through love eyes, where there's glares of love, and you will see things from a different perspective. Sometimes we get too harsh with people. So bring love into the situation, and then you will understand where they are coming from, why their behavior is such. And then it will becomes easier to forgive them. So bring love into the situation, go on a holiday. Then we have a sweet, and we also have a cookie. So sweetness coming into your life. Someone will bring a gift, maybe bring chocolates or cookies for you. That could also be possible. Sweetness. We also have a donut here. So yes, sweetness definitely coming into your life. We also have the alphabet T here. So someone with the first, middle or last name T may be important for you in the month of February. We have a piece of black tourmaline crystal. So you need to protect yourself. You need to take care of yourself from the people around you. There may be a lot of jealousy. There may be a lot of evil around you. People having an evil eye, being jealous of you, trying to pull you down, backbiting, bitching, gossiping, backstabbing. All these things may be happening around you. So please take effort to protect yourself. You can get a black tourmaline and keep it with you, carry it with you for safety. We have a butterfly. So transformation happening. Maybe you are changing from a caterpillar into a butterfly. We also got that transformation card. You'll let your light shine. Finally you will reach your destination. Finally you will come out of that caterpillar mode or that chrysalis you have been enclosed in, and you'll become a butterfly. Or some situation or some person in your life may transform. Maybe a relationship, maybe your work, your job, your house. It could be anything. Maybe there is some transformation in some aspect of your life. We also have the heart with the angel wings. So the angels are protecting you, and we got Archangel Michael. He is protecting you always. Your heart is being protected. You won't be hurt again. You won't be traumatized again. So open your heart. Remember, the angels are protecting you. Don't be scared. Don't be in that shell. Come out of it. We have a beautiful glitter nail polish. So you may be going out, you may be partying, you may be paying more attention to yourself, self-love, self-pampering. You will pay more attention to your looks. You will pay more attention to your body in the month of February. We have a leaf, and leaves are about nourishing. They nourish the tree by using their chlorophyll to make food. So you may find someone who's nourishing, caring and nurturing you. New leaves are born in spring. The springtime may be important for you. In some way, something new may happen during the springtime. And we have this beautiful elephant. There's an elephant mother and baby here. I feel your mother may be important in the month of February. Take care of her health, or she may be significant in some aspect of your life, or you may plan to become a mother. There may be a child in the family. You may get a news of pregnancy. You may be pregnant, someone around you may be pregnant. may get pregnant, or a child may be born into your family, or you need to be very mothering towards someone that is important to you. You need to nurture, care, and love someone like a mother. Give them that protection, give them that nurturing and caring. That is important. Elephants are also very wise, and elephants also have a very good memory. So maybe someone is remembering you for your nurturing and mothering ways, for your kindness, for your caring, for your nurturing nature. That could also be possible. Or your relationship with your child may be important at this time in February. Pay attention to that. Finally, let's get some dice from this bag to get some more insight. And we have a chair. So maybe you may receive a position at this time, or you may get a promotion, or you may get a position that you have been wanting. Your position may be elevated. You may get that promotion, or you need to sit and relax and breathe. Maybe you're running around too much. Time to take some rest, time to relax. That could also be possible. And we have a soldier here. Maybe someone who is a soldier or in the military may be important to you, or you may be in the military or the armed forces, and something regarding your job may be important to you. Or someone who is in the army may come into your life. If you see this soldier has a gun pointing, so you need to protect yourself. Keep your arms and ammunitions ready. People are going to attack you. You need to be ready and on the guard, alert. These are the qualities of soldiers. They are always very disciplined, very alert, aware of the surroundings. Or maybe you are in fight and flight mode, always defensive, always protecting yourself, and you need to let your guard down and just relax a bit. Sit on that chair and relax. Maybe that is also coming to me. Or you need to be aware of your surroundings. Someone may be attacking you and you need to be on your defense. That could also be possible. Either ways, take what resonates, leave the rest. And we have Saturn. So maybe Saturn is important in your chart at this time. And we know the stellium is happening with Saturn and conjunction of all these planets. And in Capricorn, which is the house of Saturn. So Capricorn or Saturn may be important to you at this time. Saturn is all about karmas. So somewhere your karmas are being tested. Maybe your life will be tested at this time. Saturn does that. He always brings hardships. He brings challenges. And he tests you. But Saturn is very benevolent. Remember that. If you stick to your integrity, if you stick to your truth, if you stick to your goodness, you will be well paid for it. Be aware of what karmas you are doing. Don't get distracted by negative things or negative thoughts, negative actions. Be on the good side of karma. Do the right thing. Take the right actions. Be fair. Be honest. And Saturn will always be very kind and benevolent to you. And we have a lamp here. We got the card of shine your light brightly, and we also got the sun card. Light that lamp inside your heart. Let your inner light shine. This is very important. Unless you let your inner light shine, the darkness around you will not dissipate. So it's to destroy the darkness. Even one small lamp is important. And that lamp is you. You need to shine your light brightly. When you shine your light and you heal yourself, you become a beacon to show light to others. You help others also heal. You can spread more light through. With one lamp, you can light many lamps. Light your lamp. Let your inner light shine. Wherever there is darkness in your life, within yourself, your shadow self, heal your shadow self. Throw light on that area. You got the sun card also. Heal your shadow selves and your traumas. And we got the sun again. We got the sun card also, and we got the sun in the dice also. So sun is definitely playing a major role here. And we also have the lamp. So light is going to shine very brightly. Your inner light, the light of truth also. The truth is going to be revealed in this month. That is 100% sure. Somewhere if there is something that you have been hiding, you need to reveal it. Because light will be shown on all the dark areas of your life. Whether it is your work, you're doing something wrong, or whether you are doing it in your relationships or at your home or with your colleagues or with your friends. This light will be shown on that and truth will be revealed. It also could mean that you need to throw light on your shadow self. Look at yourself. I have been saying this last 2 months planets have been so energetic and in such a position that it's very important and very good time to heal yourself, release your shadow self. I have been taking a workshop for the self love mantras workshop that will help you heal your shadow side, that will help you to love yourself more. Those who are interested, I'll put the details here. You can join. It will be from 3rd of February till 7th of February. And it's a very important workshop. It will throw light on all your shadow side and your shadow self so that you can become more brighter and let your inner light shine more brightly. So this were the messages for the month of February. I hope you liked it. If you did, do like, share, subscribe, and I would love to hear your comment and feedback. Thank you so much for taking your time to be here. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.